Hi, welcome to Code Ninjas. My name is Noreen, and this is my husband Ayaz, and we own Code Ninjas in Libertyville and Glenview.
Code Ninjas is a chain with over 360 locations across the United States. It's the #1 place for kids to go and learn computer programming and robotics. We focus on kids ages 7 to 14. From the moment kids come through the door and scan in, they're here in a fun, safe, and non-intimidating environment.
Our core program, which is called the Drop-In Program, lets kids learn to code year-round and progress through a 9-belt curriculum. Ninjas go from white to black belt, advancing their knowledge and using platforms like Scratch, JavaScript, LUA, and Unity 3D.
Code Ninjas is creating the problem solvers of tomorrow.
I'm making a game where the character has to make its way up to the door and then you win, but if you fall down, then you lose.
What's really cool is that all the games they build at Code Ninjas are accessible to the parents through our parent portal, so they can see their child's progress and actually play and experience those games they built. Our teachers, called the senseis, are always there and help along the way.
I'm Edward Zapanta. I'm the head sensei here at Code Ninjas Libertyville, and I have specialization in technical education.
I believe the sensei have a really important role in Code Ninjas to make sure the kids are learning new material and are having a bunch of fun.
It's so gratifying to see people who come in and don't know a single line of code, and then in no time they start building complex apps.
My name is Adam. I'm the Center Director for Code Ninjas in Libertyville and Glenview. My primary job is to work with the parents as the kids are in here learning and advancing in their curriculum. And I make sure that the parents stay in the know and see how they're progressing and also how we're preparing them for the digital world.
Each belt level also incorporates robotics. Ninjas have to complete several robotics projects and learn how to work with motors, sensors, LEDs, and other electronic components. When they finally get to Black Belt, ninjas should be able to creatively design and program their own mobile app and publish it on the Google Play or the Apple Store. That's how they earn their Black Belt here at Code Ninjas.
I've been coming to Code Ninjas for 4 months and I really like it because it's a fun environment and it's always good to be challenged and learn new things.
Once you mastered the art of Scratch, you could build all sorts of complicated projects like animations, parkour, shooter games.
If you want your child to experience more of what we do here at Code Ninjas, make sure that you schedule your free 30-minute game building session today so that your child can have their first real experience with coding.
And if you'd like to find out more about Code Ninjas, please stop by, come visit us, and check out what we're all about.